Whew, okay, now I'm starting the beginning of the vlog at the end of the day, which is technically the end of the vlog, but at the beginning. I didn't really get a chance to do anything at the beginning, but anyway, I'm kind of bringing this vlog together because unfortunately my main production camera, my Panasonic Lumix G7, is dead. It's not gonna turn on and I need to get it fixed and I can't use it at the moment. And I love this camera because it is such a budget 4K video production camera and it's really served me well. You know me, I love 4K, I love the crispy, I love the extra resolution and what I can do with it and everything, but it's dead on me. So I've had to resort back to my first DSLR that I was using on the channel, which is the Nikon D5300, which is what I'm using to record right now. So I am kind of back in and on that 1080p life. So let me play throughout what my day was using this to actually video and vlog and kind of get you to kind of understand where I am right now, because it feels like a setback to me. So walk with me, let's go through the day with this vlog.
Oh, almost. David, look. Rafi.
Like this. Like this, Daddy.
Right, there's some days where we're out with the kids just vlogging, you know, just spending the day with them, weekend off, pretty much enjoying it. I'm actually back on the Nikon D5300, which is kind of strange, man, because my Panasonic G7 died on me, so I've actually resorted back to using my DSLR. So I don't know how well it's going to be based in terms of using it for vlogging. I don't even know how the autofocus is on this. This is like contrast based detection. There's a little man coming. Zoom in. So I don't know how this is gonna actually pan out. That 1080p life again is crazy. So yeah, just kind of like gauging and seeing how the day is like. And man, back to that 1080p life. This just feels so strange. Vlogging on the Nikon D5300. This was one of my early YouTube. Well, this is my early YouTube camera. Apart from when I was using my iPhone 6S. Funny enough, I was using my iPhone 6S to do my videos on my channel, and yeah, I mean, it served its purpose, but unfortunately, because I hadn't actually had a chance to sell it, this has now come back into fruition, and this is now the camera I'm having to resort to use for my production. I'm gonna miss 4K, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of people don't care for 4K, but I do. I think just 4K is just absolutely crispy. But at the same time, I think it's important just to be able to get the shot. So this is gonna allow me to still get the shot. So that's the most important thing. So I'm gonna try and keep that intact, but
Little man there.
Daddy.
David, go get Rafi. Go bring him back.
Oh.
Yeah, go bring him back. Yeah. He's on a mission. What's your name? Sifat. Saying hi. Thank you for showing love to the channel. Yeah. You guys enjoying your springtime now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Finally, it's good to be sunny, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are enjoying it as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, man. Show face.
there you go.
Hi.
There we are. Say hi to everyone. So yeah, go hit the subscribe button, man. Send me a comment. I always reply to you guys as well.
Yeah. Cool.
Enjoy playing football, yeah? Are you guys done? You heading home?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Alright then.
Bye.
Peace.
Have a nice time.
You too. Enjoy, guys.
So yeah, the name of this vlog will probably be Back to That 1080p Life. I don't know, man. Yeah, it's back to that 1080p life, man. It's crazy. I don't know how important 4K is. 4K is important to me, but again, I guess getting the shot is important for productivity, whether it's a vlog where you're trying to tell a story or I'm doing a product review. So I'm back on the Nikon D5300. Depends how the autofocus will look. It's just really gonna depend how it is when I'm looking back at the footage and you guys are actually talking to me as well. But there is no other real direction to this apart from just kind of sharing my day, seeing what the kids are doing, and also just seeing how it looks using this for my productivity and vlogging, if it actually is going to work. But it's kind of almost made me consider the Canon SL2, the 200D, because of that dual pixel autofocus in video. I'm kind of considering that as my vlogging camera, and then maybe something like maybe an A65, A6300, or maybe an A7 III as my main productivity camera, seeing as it has 4K and very good autofocus. But just because of the fact that it doesn't have a flip out screen, I can't necessarily see myself using it as my vlogging camera, because it just I won't be able to frame myself looking through there, then looking back, looking through, yeah, I just wouldn't be able to do that. So it's very, very, very interesting. More to come, more to come.
Let's run. Run. Go.
Everything. You have ninja. Are you?
So right, this is just more of kind of like a quick vlog, man. Probably not going to be anything long, nothing really directional about it apart from I'm back on the Nikon D5300. I'm back on the 1080p train. I don't know how long I'm going to survive. Obviously, I'm not going to melt down, but am I really going to miss 4K as much as I think? So kind of being forcefully put in this situation where I don't have a choice but to shoot in 1080p, it's kind of humbling. It's kind of humbling, so I can give you more of that. So shout out to everyone that supported, and if you want to see more vlogs like this, for sure, hit me up. Let's have a discussion again. Let me know how the quality looks like. Let me know how the sound is like. Let me know how the overall video is like. If you guys enjoyed it. Again, be part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad. Be part of the notification squad. When you do subscribe, man, hit that notification bell. You won't miss any new content when you do that. And I sure don't want you to miss any new content when you do that. And again, I'm your host, Ben. Thank you for tuning in. Signing out. And I will see you next time.